So here we go. This is our WordPress site testing that we've just installed. So basically this is just what comes out. It'll give you your name and say just another WordPress site, give you home, a sample page, as you can see, just says a whole heap of stuff, recent comments, archives, categories, login and all that kind of stuff. So we'll go back home. Now, probably thinking, how do I get it looking the way you want? So you can go wp admin or minus login .php, and this will take you to the login page. Now you'll need to remember your username and password from before. So my username was just admin and my password I'll type in. And then press login. So in here, you start with the dashboard. Now, it goes, you've assembled some links to get you started. You can customize your site, write your first post, add an about page, view your site. This will also take you to your page here. On your left, you've got posts, media, which I'll go through later, appearance, blah, 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 plugins, which I'll go through later. But for now, we are going to write our first blog post. So you can either click on this quick step, or you can go to posts, add new, or view all your posts. So I'm going to view all of my posts, and I'm going to add a new one here. Now this will take you to the new post. Now from here, I'm just going to call it new post. We'll put some text in here, and we might even put a link to sample page. To make a link, just highlight, click link. Now you can link to existing content, or you can link to a URL. So if you wanted to link to Google, you just go google.com, give it a title. Titles are good for search engines and stuff, but we don't. So I'm going to link to existing content and link to my sample page, and then just hit add link. So there we go, it's added the link. Now I'm also going to show you how to add a photo or a picture. So if you, I didn't mean that button. You want to add media. Now you can go to media library, which we haven't got any media. So I'm going to upload files, and I'm just going to find myself a file, say this one. Now it's loaded up, and click there on this. You can change the size here. We're going to call it full size, and then insert it into post. So there's our picture. Now with pictures, you can resize this here too, like that. Now with pictures, there's extra options. So you can click edit this image. Now you can change the percentage size it is, like so. You can give it alternate text. We'll give it a title, call it logo, and we'll give it a caption, our logo. Now if we go update, as you can see, you can't see the title, but if you hover over it, it will tell you the title there. And this is where the caption goes, just underneath. And we'll resize and show you what it does. So if I go 80, and also you can, well, might put it on the right as well. So if I go update, now we'll save this draft, and you can preview the post before you publish it. So if you click preview, it will open a new tab with the post. So as you can see, here's my new post with some sample text on my testing, just another WordPress site. So I'll go back to here, and as you can see, you can put tags as well. So I might tag this as, I don't know, category. Doesn't really matter at the moment, but you'd put your tags for what you want it to tag as, and it can show you on the side. Categories. Now this is how it'll be sorted. So if I go this as test, add the new category. So now if I untick that, and let's publish this. So I'm just going to publish. Now if we go back to our site, we will see it shows the first post. So here's the link to the new post. Here's the other post that was our sample text. So as you can see, that's easy. It's tagged as category where this has no tags, but it was posted in test. So in categories, we can go test, and that will load up the site. As you can see, it'll load up anything in the test category. We can also go uncategorized, and this will load up anything in the uncategorized category. So that's that. So that's how you create a post, basically. Now, you can bold and underline and all that, but if you are used to using HTML and you know how to code and all that kind of stuff, you can also choose to view in text. So here we can see a title sample page. So that's just the title for the link, and href is the actual link location. So as you can see, it's linking to there, and this part here is the text, and that breaks it. So yeah, that's basically it for this one, how to create a post. So just remember, you can always update once you've changed things as well by clicking update, and you can also preview changes like we previewed the post before. So anyway, that's me, and I will see you next time.